What's your favorite thing about coming to Turkey Derby every year?
Seeing all my friends I don't see at the quad races anymore.
Here we are at the 8th annual Gennusa Racing CST Tires Turkey Derby. We made a whole different track layout just like every year. I wanted to get more involved in the spectator aspect. We have a few more spectating areas, cleared out a little bit so you can view the whole place. 2 food trucks. We're looking forward to a great day. A lot better weather than last year. Last year was freezing. This year is going to be 55 and sunny, which you could not ask possibly for a better race day. We're here to have a good time, good battles, and memories for a lifetime. Let's do this.
Long way from home. How far was that drive?
About 18.5 hours.
So where'd you come from?
Mobile, Alabama. Pretty pumped to be here. It's a good time. It's gonna be really fast this year. Everything's wide and fast, so it'll be a good time.
I just left 5 feet of snow to come down here. Still cold out, but 5 feet of snow just to come down here. Nick's done a phenomenal job with the track and stuff like that. He's been kind of sending me Snapchat updates and everything about that too, so kind of seen it, but seeing it here in person, like if you're not here, you're definitely missing out.
What's your favorite thing about the Turkey Derby race?
Beating Chris Forge.
Gennusa. Watch out for Kenny Hudson.
What keeps you guys coming back to this every year?
It's just a fun event. I mean, get a bunch of grown guys on pit bikes, little 4-wheelers. It's pretty sick.
Dude, it's a great question. I don't know. You know, it's just a cool weekend. Come out, hang out with Chris and those guys, Rip 90s. Come out with Nick and them, Rip 90s. It's just cool to see all the people like in a non-serious race atmosphere, and this is it, you know? I mean, we're racing, but it's not like our normal races, you know, there's nothing on the line. Hopefully we can get all our laps in this year and not get lapped.
It's right now 1:30. We're about to kick off the main events here. We're pretty much right on schedule. We got the girls class right behind me taking off first. So
Who you got for the win?
Probably Jacqueline. She rides more. And then Natalie, this is her first time ever racing, so it's all for fun, you know?
You know, it's really cool being here. I signed up a week ago. My sister convinced me to race. It's actually a lot of fun. I understand now why my brother loves racing, and this is actually my first race right here, so you'll see me. You can catch me in the back of the pack, but I'll be there.
I used to race back in the day. I don't know if anybody knows that, but I used to race. I was number 88 like Joel Hetrick. That's probably why I'm fast.
that was the race right there. Dan and Corey going back and forth. Dan, I think, got the better of him. He hit this triple. Good race. That's what it's all about. Dad bods rule.
For real?
Lucky enough to get a little time on it like last week, but yeah, basically today's probably my first legit time on a little quad in general, really. But it was awesome, dude. These things are fun to ride. They're a little bit slower than the 110, so they're like, you know, you're really beating on them, but just throwing them around, leaning from side to side, it's definitely not a dirt bike. So it's an experience. It was fun, man.
At the starting line area, who's going to grab that one?
I think we just got to really put him over a berm and make it so he's nowhere near me, because for some reason he's always really close to me or ahead of me. I would just assume it's his track, and that's why he's just a total sandbagger, and he knows that. But we still come here and support his event, and we're gonna go out there and whoop him, and that's all I can say. From what I've heard, from what I gathered, that guy talking didn't get a checker flag. I got the checker flag. He probably didn't know. I was catching him big time, second to lap, and just ran out of time.
I gotta give him his winnings. He got winnings from the announcer.
Oh my God! But Kevin bet on me to lose, and look at that.
No, I bet on you to
Kevin won.
Here we are wrapping up the day of the 8th annual Gennusa Racing CST Tires Turkey Derby. I'm blown away with today. Couldn't ask for better weather. Turnout was phenomenal. I'm so happy to feel like I've started something to bring people together. You know, we get carried away in our race season and it's so intense and it's go, 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 and this is a one-off event for fun. Doesn't count for anything, but this is a fun event that it's just a good feeling to have everybody come and spectate and ride, race same day. It's awesome. Huge shout out to CST Tires for being a sponsor of this event. Back-to-back years, tons of years in a row, just nothing without them. So seriously, thank you, and we'll see you guys next year.